Hey guys, welcome back to Win Nexus. Today we're gonna see how you can remove the background of any image. First of all, you have to go to background. Here you can see my cursor. So just click on it and convert to smart object. You have to click on it. Okay, and go to uh, magic wand. Here you can see magic wand. If you double tap W, so you can open it. Okay, it is selected magic wand. Now you have to select the area. What select the area do you like? So this is the area I selected. Now I press delete. Okay, I select the area. Now I press delete. Here you can see the background is removed. So I hope this video helpful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for new updates. Thank you.